In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using a TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so the question says we have log base 2x over y plus log base 2y over x. Alright, so we have to simplify this logarithmic expression. Now, the very first thing we have to do will be to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. Alright, so to reset, just press second button, then this plus button, go for option 7. Press 1 to reset our and then press 2 and it will do that for us. Alright, it's done. Press this clear button. Okay, now guys, looking at this question, this is addition of two logarithms. Now, one of the laws of logarithm is when two logarithms are being added and the base is the same, you multiply the two logarithms. Alright, so here the two logarithms that are adding together, the base is the same. So when you multiply them, you're going to have log x over y times log y over x, which will give us log y x over log yx to the base 2. Alright, so log yx over log xy or log ys, when you divide the two of them, you're going to have the output be 1. Alright, so that's what we're going to give you. Log sy over log ys, when you divide, you're going to have 1. So right now, the log rating we have now will be log 1 to the base 2. Alright, so that's what we are going to look for on the calculator to get the output of log 1 to the base 2 on this calculator. Firstly, you press this math button. Okay, so you go to this place, we have log base. Alright, press enter. So the base is 2, so we have log 1, and that's it. Just press equal to now or enter button to see the output. 0. So the correct option here is what? Option H, which is what? 0. This is basically how you can simplify this, guys. It's as simple as this. There's no rocket science to this. This is very simple. Alright, so hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of my videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below. I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, so don't forget to reset the calculator once you're done. Just press second plus button, option 7, 1, and 2. Alright, so that's it. We are good to go. Now click on the end screen above and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.